2 years ago, I published a video on how to fix sticky buttons in your car. And today we will see if the condition of the buttons has changed after 2 years. Let's go! Hey guys, a short video today. 2 years ago, I published this video. If you've got sticky buttons in your car, like this, I'm going to show you in this video how to fix it. I will give you a link for that video at the end of this one or just below. And I received this comment. I am very curious to know how the exposed prints lasts over a period of time as the protective layer is now non-existent. And more recently, this one. Do your buttons still look brand new 2 years later? Okay, first of all, thanks for your comments and thank you to all of you guys for your comments. What is said here is very relevant, and so it's interesting to make a video to show the state of the buttons after 2 years. So let's go and see it together right now in the car. So guys, let's take a look at the buttons on the steering wheel of this S-Class. It's June 2020, more than 2 years after we removed the sticky coating on these buttons. And so here is the current state of the buttons. As you can see, white markings are still there, so no problem. And on the right side, same condition. And so it's all good. Thanks guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. More videos are coming. Thank you, goodbye.